Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Unity Hub. So in order to install it, you need to go to Unity Hub, unity3d.com, and you need to download Unity Hub. Okay, so you need to click on download Unity Hub. It would start downloading. Yeah, it's 51 MB only. So basically Unity Hub is a lightweight installer of Unity editors using which you can install Unity editors. Click on I agree, click on install. It would begin installation of Unity Hub on a device. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, so click on finish. And it would launch Unity Hub. Windows firewall may block some of the features, so you need to allow access so that Unity Hub works properly. Since I have already installed it once, I'm being shown this screen, but for the first time users who are going to install it for the first time, you are going to see a screen which shows this license management, and it would show you that you don't have any license. So since I have already installed it once, I am already having a personal license. So in order for the first time users, you need to activate a license. Okay, you need to click on activate new license, and then you need to select Unity personal, because you are going to use it for your personal games, right? So and the personal edition is free. So click on Unity personal, and you are not a professional, so click on I don't use Unity in a professional capacity. Click on done, and that's it. Your license would be activated. And now, since your license is activated, now we can proceed to the installation of the Unity editors. As I told you, Unity Hub is just an installer for your Unity editors. Now click on add to install a Unity editor. It would show you all the different versions that you can install. So the first one is by default it is recommending me to install long-term support. You can choose any one of them. I would go with the latest one, which is Unity 2020.2.3 F1. I would select it and then click it on next. It would ask me to install. It would ask me whether about the extensions or the modules that I want to install with it. So we would require Microsoft Visual Studio Community to 2019. Basically it's for game programming. You need an IDE to write a code, right? You cannot directly code in Unity. You need an IDE, right? So you would install Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2019, and you have options to install build support of Android, iOS, tvOS, using which you would be able to create builds for various platforms. Okay, so since we are going to build games for Android, I'm choosing over here Android build support, and then let's click on next. And now accept these terms and conditions. You can have a look at them. That's it. It would start downloading it, right? Yeah, so the download has started, and this is how you install Unity and Unity using Unity Hub. That's it. Thank you for watching.